Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my nude fondant. Yes, so today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different shades of nude fondant. Okay, so if this is your first time on this channel, welcome, and I'm glad you're here. So this is my white fondant and I'm stretching it because before you use fondant at all, the first thing you need to do is knead it properly. You need it to be well kneaded and soft, so make sure you spend at least 3 to 4 minutes kneading your fondant depending on the size. If it's a lot more, maybe you'll need up to 10-15 sometimes because you need to have it well kneaded. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make nude fondant. So the first thing you want to do is take a tiny piece of your fondant. You don't want to color the whole batch. Take a tiny piece and add a little brown. Do you see how much brown I added to that thing? Just a little brown will do. So now I'm putting some cornstarch on my board, on my silicone mat, so it doesn't stick. So the 2 colors we're going to be using today is we're going to be using brown and pink. So if you notice on this channel, yeah, like my cake decorating is on a budget. I know I've said that a million times on this channel. So I don't buy every food coloring. Like I think the only colors I buy are the primary colors and then the neutral colors, like blue, red, yellow, yes, and then I have white, I have black, I have brown. I think that's all. The other colors I kind of make them myself. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is add a little bit of pink. So the pink, you want to add a little bit more pink and then just knead it. The pink kind of gives it like kind of warms up the flesh tone. Yes, so this is the first shade of fondant we're going to be doing. The more color you add to it, the deeper it will be. So the next thing you want to do is take some white fondant and take a little bit of your nude fondant, yeah, and then add it together. It's going to give you a lighter shade of nude. So if you want to go darker, all you have to do is add a little bit brown and pink to the initial batch. If you want to go lighter, all you need to do is take a little piece of fondant from the first batch you made, and then you want to add a little bit more white. So now we have 2 different shades of nude, yeah. So I'm going to take from the second shade again, and then I'm going to add a little bit more white to make it a little bit lighter. So now we're going to have 3 different shades of nude. So when you're coloring your fondant, it's important for you to color tiny batches first, so that way you can control how much color you have or how little or you can control the shades you want, of course. So make sure you don't color the whole batch at once so you can have more control on your coloring. So if you notice, now we have 3 different shades. We have a nude that is kind of really deep, and then another one, and then another one, and then I'm going to show you the white one, and then I'm going to put them side by side for you guys to see. So when you're making nude fondant, basically all you're going to need is pink and brown. That's all. Whether you're making for a white person or for a black person or maybe for an Indian, depending on the skin tone of nude you're making, that's how deep you want the color to be. So thank you guys for watching my channel, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.